Hi, I'm Peggy Ayers, and
I'm Trish Toutloff.
we're with CIBM Mortgage. We've been doing the tips and tricks, financial tips and tricks for 2023. This is something that we highly recommend that you take a look at ongoing. So this isn't something that you're going to just do a one-time thing. You're going to want to do it on an annual basis.
That's right.
So now we're getting into the time where you're going to fill out your tax returns.
That's right. So you're wondering, what should I do with that tax refund? You've got some money coming in. Do I want to save it? Do I want to spend it? Or do I want to pay off debts with it?
And that's where we want to come in.
Yes.
We can help you analyze what your goals are. What are you looking to buy a home? Are you looking to upgrade in a home?
That's right.
And we can best tell you what we would recommend on, do you want to target some of that money towards paying off a debt so that you improve your what you can buy and how that would work?
That's right. Yeah. So basically how we start is we really do take a look at your goals and what it is that you're looking to do. If something is beyond our scope, we do have no problem with sending you to one of our friends at Consumer Credit Counseling or Simplified, but we start first here because there may be some quick tweaks that all we need to do is do a couple of little things to get you ready to get into the house that you're looking to get into.
Right. So first things first, give us a call, 920-457-5626, and either Trish or I would be happy to sit down with you and have that conversation.
Absolutely. Have a great day.